Welcome to the Book MBA channel, where books become your mentors and wisdom turns into power. Today, we dive deep into one of the most transformative books ever written on the art of human connection, How to Talk to Anyone, 92 Little Tricks for Big Success in Relationships by Lael Lowndes. Whether you're an introvert who dreads small talk or a social butterfly looking to take your charisma to the next level, this book is your playbook for social mastery. It's not just about words, it's about presence, confidence, subtle cues, and deep psychology. So grab your coffee, lean back, and let's decode the timeless techniques that can change the way you talk and the way people respond to you forever. Chapter 1. The First Impression Jackpot. Lael Lowndes opens the book with a fundamental truth. People form 90% of their opinion about you in the first 90 seconds. The first few seconds of any interaction are critical. Lowndes offers a series of techniques called the First 10 Tricks, which she calls the First Impression Golden Keys. Let's unlock them. 1. The flooding smile. Smile slowly, not too fast, and let it flood your face. A quick grin looks fake. A warm, delayed smile makes others feel truly welcomed. 2. Sticky eyes. Hold eye contact just a bit longer than usual. It builds intimacy, especially when meeting someone for the first time. Don't overdo it, just enough to show you're genuinely engaged. 3. Epoxy eyes. In group settings, keep your eyes glued to the person you're trying to connect with, even when others are talking. This makes that person feel like the star of the show. 4. The big baby pivot. When someone approaches you, pivot your body fully toward them, like a baby does when it sees its mother. This shows you value them and are fully present. 5. Hello, old friend. Act like you're meeting an old friend. This mindset changes your body language and makes your energy welcoming and warm. These are just a few tools in your first contact toolkit. But what happens after the handshake? Chapter 2. Small talk, big results. Small talk is not small. It's the bridge to deeper connections. Lowndes gives us powerful yet simple tricks to master everyday conversation. 6. The What's It strategy. When attending events, wear or carry something that invites comment. A unique pin, a vintage watch, or a colorful tie. People will have a natural reason to approach and start talking. 7. Parroting. Repeat the last few words the other person says like a question. Person. I just got back from Bali. You, Bali? This keeps the conversation going and shows you're paying attention. 8. The Swiveling Spotlight. Shine the conversation light on the other person. Ask about them. Be fascinated. People love talking about themselves. 9. Never the naked job. Don't just say what you do. Add a hook. Instead of, I'm an accountant, say, I help companies rescue their financial sanity. That sparks curiosity. Chapter 3. Deep Connections and Emotional Hooks. After the small talk is done, how do you move into meaningful territory? 10. Echoing emotions. Mirror the speaker's emotions, not just their words. If someone says, I'm exhausted after that presentation, don't just nod. That sounds draining. You really gave it all. The premature we use the word we early on. It creates a sense of connection. We introverts need to stick together. Or, we book lovers always find the quietest corners. 12. The knee-jerk no. Avoid instantly disagreeing or correcting people. Even if someone's wrong, build rapport first. Disagreement too early kills connection. 13. The compliment bomb. Instead of complimenting their looks or outfit, compliment something people take pride in, like their humor, insight, or kindness. That sticks. Chapter 4. Body Language and Nonverbal Magic. Lowndes emphasizes that most of what we communicate isn't said with words. It's expressed with posture, eye contact, tone, and micro-expressions. 14. Hans's horse sense. Be observant like Hans, a horse that could do math just by reading subtle human cues. Pick up on tiny changes in others' behavior to tailor your response. 15. The sneaky peek. If someone looks at you quickly and then away, chances are they're interested. Use subtle cues to gauge interest. 16. The big but. Replace but with and. Saying, you did great, but erases the praise. Say, you did great, and with a bit more prep, it could be amazing. Chapter 5. Phone, email, and social mastery. In a digital world, communication isn't always face-to-face. How do we master remote charisma? 17. Your 10-second soundbite. Prepare a short, punchy answer to what do you do that intrigues people. This works great on calls and networking events. 18. The email echo. When replying to emails, subtly echo the sender's tone. If they're formal, stay formal. If they're playful, match the vibe. 19. The whisper technique. On calls or Zooms, lower your voice slightly when you want to emphasize something. It draws the listener in. Chapter 6. The Big Leagues. business and social power moves. Now, let's talk about next-level influence. Lowndes moves into the territory of high-stakes conversations, networking events, and leadership charisma. 20. The MVP, most valuable player, technique at events. Be the person who introduces others. When you make someone else feel important, you become magnetic. 21. Be a word detective. Listen for the exact words people use to describe things and mirror them in your response. This creates deep rapport subconsciously. 22. The I hear ya trick. Instead of just nodding, repeat someone's feeling back to them. Them. I'm frustrated with this client. You. Sounds like they're really testing your patience. 23. Instant history. Create shared history instantly. Use phrases like, remember when we just met, or this reminds me of when we first started talking. Chapter 7. Magnetic Closer Tricks. Ending a conversation is as important as starting one. Lowndes suggests ways to close on a high note. 24. The You're Wonderful sign-off. Leave people feeling better about themselves. Be sincere. Try. I really enjoyed our chat. You have such a sharp perspective. 25. The Encore Effect. If you're leaving a voicemail or email, end with a quick compliment or inside joke that leaves a warm memory. 26. The Insider Goodbye. End with something specific and personal. Good luck on your pitch Tuesday. I'll be sending good vibes. Conclusion. Your toolkit for connection. So what does Lael Lowndes ultimately teach us? That talking to anyone isn't about being charming or perfect. It's about being curious, observant, and intentional. Each of her 92 tricks is a building block. Together, they create a communication style that is irresistible, rooted in empathy, driven by confidence, and laced with insight. From eye contact to exit lines, this book gives you tools not just to talk, but to connect, influence, and leave a lasting impression. Remember, people might forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So whether you're networking, dating, selling, or simply making new friends, master these small tricks. Because in the world of human connection, small hinges swing big doors. This is the Book MBA channel, where we turn books into breakthroughs. If this summary helped you level up your communication game, give it a like, subscribe for more, and let us know what book you want us to break down next. Until next time, talk smart, connect deep, and read bold.